Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student, how are you today? May Allah always give us healthy and spirit to do all activities today. Meet again with Teacher Susi in Math Lesson Primary 3 about fraction. Are you ready to study math? Okay, if you are ready, please say loudly, yes, I'm ready. One more time. Yes, I'm ready. Okay, now let's open our lesson by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about fraction. Before we go to the material, let's watch the video about fraction.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Half a pie, half a tree. Halves of different things are different sizes, you see. But a half is a half, big or small. It takes two halves to make one whole.
Fractions are equal-sized parts of a whole. When it comes to halves, there are two equal-sized parts that make up one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
1/2, 1/3.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a square. Fractions, fractions, they're right here. Tells how many parts there are. Tells how many parts you got. When you have parts, parts of the whole. Fractions, fractions, what you need to know. 1/3 of a pie, 1/3 of a bar. Thirds of different things are different sizes by far. But a third is a third, big or small. It takes 3/3 to make one whole.
It takes 3/3 to make one whole. 1/3, then 2/3, and 3/3. That's one whole. Now try to say these fractions.
2/3, 3/4.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Numerator never under on the top.
And U for never
D
under.
for denominator's always down.
D for down.
Numerator up, denominator down. Fractions, fractions are all around. Quarter circle, quarter square. 1/4 plus 3/4 makes one whole right here. And a quarter is a quarter, big or small. It takes 4/4 to make one whole.
Try to say these fractions.
1/4, 3/4, 6/8, 15/16.
Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright. Fractions, fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, fractions, they're what I know. They're equal pieces, they're parts of a pie. Fractions, fractions, they're alright.
Okay dear, how about this video? May this video can help you to the material about fraction. Look at the keyword. Number 1, fraction, and then numerator, denominator, part, whole, half, third, What is fraction? A fraction is a part of whole number and a way to split up number into equal parts. Definition of numerator and denominator. Here the simple definition you are probably looking for. The numerator is the top part of a fraction and denominator is the bottom part of a fraction. The numerator represents how many parts of that whole are being considered, and denominator represents the total number of parts created from the whole. For example, look at the picture. One watermelon to be a half. One watermelon is divided into two equal parts, so each part is one half. Look at the next picture. One watermelon is divided into four equal parts, so each part is 1/4. Okay, now look at this picture again. 3 parts out of 4 are left, so 3/4 of the watermelon is left. Fraction on a number line. Look at the picture. Fraction can be represented on a number line as shown below. Real life example. Okay, this is about real life example. The most common example of the fraction from real life are equal slice of pizza, fruit, cake, a bar of chocolate, and etc. When the part of the whole are unevenly divided, they don't form fraction. Let's practice, kids. Look at the question number 1. Identifying 1/2 and circle the shape that have 1/2 colored in. Okay, look at the color shape. Green. Okay, is it a 1/2 or no? If is it 1/2, you may circle. Okay, the next, look at the pink shape, and then the red shape, and then the purple, and then the red again, or orange, yeah, it's orange, and then blue, and then the yellow. Okay, now for number 2 and number 3, you may answer in commenter column. Okay, question number 2. What fraction is shaded? Look at the picture A. Okay, now B, and then C, and then D. Okay, this number 3. Circle the correct fraction from the given choices. Look at the picture A, B, and C. Okay, don't forget, you may answer in comment column, and don't forget, write your name and class. Okay, dear student, Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam bersabda, sesungguhnya seseorang selesai sholat dan tidak ditulis kecuali hanya 1/10 sholat, 1/9-nya, 1/8-nya, 1/7-nya, 1/6-nya, 1/5-nya, 1/4-nya, 1/3-nya, setengahnya. Hadis riwayat Abu Daud, sanad hasan. That's all for material today about fraction. I hope this video can help you to understand about fraction, especially for students primary 3. Okay, finish for study today. Let's say Hamdallah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Thank you dear student for watching this video. Don't forget, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.